So guys, I think this should be a continuation of the previous video, because right now I'm so tired. It's late. I need to wash all the containers for the juice. So I'm wearing gloves because lately my skin has been so dry.
Hello.
Yes, Rupa is here, my assistant. I'm gonna wait for them to dry. After waiting for them to dry, then I'm gonna start juicing. So before then, I'm gonna bring out the fruits to show you guys the fruits I got, and then wash and prep them while waiting for this to dry. Okay, so let's go into that. I want you guys to guess in the comment section below, how much do you think I got all these fruits? How much do you think it is in Rishi Sunak economy? How much do you think is for these fruits? And I wonder how many bottles of juice is going to come out, because it's not about looking this many. How many bottles? So now it's time for prep. My bottles are almost dry, so I'm going to start prepping. My lights repair. That's come with that problem with my lights. So I'm going to start prepping, and I'll get to you guys soon. So I made a little section. So this section is going to be greens, just green vegetables there. So the green apple, celery, and cucumber. I'm going to eat this avocado to eat bread or something. I can't eat bread right now. Okay, to eat salad then. And this mango, I think I'm going to eat this mango. I really want to enjoy this mango to the bones, you know, to the seeds. I really want to enjoy this mango. So I wore gloves because I tried. I'm going to show you why soon. So this mountain and honeydew, I'm going to have orange, apple, and carrots. I don't know, orange, apple, and these together. Okay, and after that I'm going to do some orange, carrots, and apple and lemon. Then the kiwi, orange, cucumber, and pineapple. And then this place, I got some turmeric the last time I went shopping. So turmeric, I tried peeling it and it stained my nails. You can see it, guys. It stained my nails. How do you remove turmeric from your white nails? So that's why I'm wearing gloves. So it's gonna be turmeric, cucumber, lemon, lime, ginger, and pineapple. And Uncle is here. So let's get into this business. Hello guys, so this is the next day. Yesterday Rona woke up and that was the end of our video. So this morning it's sleeping, it's 9 o'clock, it's snowing outside, the kids have gone to school. I really quickly want to prep everything, so I have a list of all my recipes here. So I'll be going through that and prep all the vegetables in the different bowls, so that when I want to start juicing, I know this is for this juice and this is for this juice. So yesterday the turmeric stained my nails, but I found a hack on TikTok and it worked. Oh my god. So I made a little video of that. I'm gonna post that on my TikTok, so make sure you follow me on TikTok. So now I'm quickly need to prep this. So I'm gonna do it off. I'm not gonna video it because it's gonna be a very long video. If I prep, start peeling the carrots, peeling the lemon and all that. So I'll get back to you when I have the individual juice batch ready. So see you guys soon. So I stopped prepping because I don't know if my bottles will be enough. So these are the fruits I have left. I don't want to use this mango. You know, I thought I'm gonna eat it like that. So those mangoes are not for juicing. So this is what I have. I just hope my bottles are enough, or I have to look for another alternative. So I have a lot here, so let's start juicing. Okay, so we're gonna be starting with the honeydew. So what I have here is the honeydew fruit. I heard it's very sweet, so I'm trying to minimize the sweetness with some kiwi and some lime. So let's go into it. I got 3 bottles of honeydew, kiwi, and lime juice. I have this little left that I'm going to drink. So let's continue. I'm going to clean up that. I'm going to clean up the juicer and then continue juicing. Okay, washed it and let's continue. So I have apples, lemon, and pineapples. Came out from it, so about 4.5 bottles. So the thing I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it up and then do the next one. I hope I have 5 bottles left. I hope it's enough for the next one because it's also a big batch. I hope it's enough. So it looks like the honey dew fruits. It looks almost the same. This is just a bit lighter. So I'll label it so that I can know what is what. So I need to label them. So let me wash this and continue juicing. So it's time for the last juice. This is not the last one. I have the ginger shot to still do, but like the last big batch of juice. So it's carrots. What am I coughing? Oh, orange. I think there's lime or lemon down here. Yeah, there's a lemon and pineapples. So I hope it's enough. I hope it's enough because I have just 5 bottles left. Just 5 bottles. I got 4 bottles out of it, so I have 1 bottle left, but I think I'm going to end juicing big batch. The only thing left for me to juice now is my ginger and what's it called, ginger lemon shots. So I think I'm good to go. So I don't know if I should wash this. I'm tired of washing already. I'm being lazy. I think I'm going to wash it so I can have. No, I'm not going to wash it. I'm not gonna wash it. I'm gonna juice it like that because I'm tired. And this is the last one. Please forgive me, guys. I am tired. So what is inside is it's not that bad. Carrots, pineapple. I don't think it's bad. I'm gonna use it like that. So this is orange. You see, guys. Ginger. Oh! Today, just today. I'm tired already. Lemon. Yep. And then turmeric. Okay. This is the last one before baby boy wakes up. So this is what I got out from the turmeric and lemon and orange. So I hope it's enough for 7 days. What I'm going to do is I'm going to infuse some mint into it. So just to give it a bit of more flavor. So I'm going to infuse mint into it. So let me just give this a quick rinse. So I asked you guys in the beginning of the video how much to make a guess. How much did I get all the fruit for? So I got the fruit for £31.45. So this is how much, apart from those ones over there. So this is how much I was able to juice from it. So it's about 12 big bottles of juice and 5 ginger shots. So this is what I got from my 31 pound. Is it a good is it a good price, like for 31 pound for those fruits? Is it a good price? It's a local market, it's not a farmer's market. I think it's good. So this is gonna last me for how long? So this is 12. I have 12. I think it's gonna last 6 days because I'll be taking two. I don't think I can survive with just one juice. I'll be taking two juice. So thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this part of the video, thank you. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below, okay? Any suggestion on how to go about this juice fast? I need all the suggestions. Please comment down below, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.